Everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is June 1st of 2021, and today we're going to look at the DXY. We're going to take a look at the importance of the current move we're in, what the price level's at, what to look for next, and what is going to happen later this week that could be important for the US dollar. So look at zooming in on the daily chart right now. We are at currently 89.88, as you can see. What does that mean? Well, so far we're coming down to our previous low that was happening back in January 2021. But beyond that, let's zoom out a little bit more on the weekly chart and look at the little bit bigger of a picture, right? So if we lose this level, let me zoom in here, this candle right here, January 4th of 2021, the low 89.2. We are currently not too far away from that. If we lose that, what's the next level we would drop to? Now, if you're not familiar with the DXY, it's the index of the US dollar, okay? So when that drops down, crypto more than likely has the ability to rise, as we have seen in this chart. Look, going back to March of 2020, all of crypto was rising since this point as the DXY drops. If you think that's just coincidence, I invite you to Exhibit B, going back to our last bull run in crypto, starting in 2016, going into 2017, and finishing in 2018 as the DXY recovers back up, where crypto's in a bear market. And as we go down, crypto goes back to a bull market. So hopefully we don't repeat this and go back the other way, right? Big picture, we want to keep dropping, not go back up. We don't want to have a big recovery like this. This would be devastating for crypto. So we will keep an eye on it. Now, do we think it's going to go up? No. Do we think it's going to go down? Yes. That's the other side of that coin. So if we lose the 89 level, our next level to watch is our previous bear market levels, right? Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in for them. Right here. There's our low candle. We want to look for the wick, the bottom of that. Now, you might say, what about support up here at the candles? Yes, that's true. That's level 1. Right around the 89 level, right? But our low, we'd like to make a lower low in the macro scale, because if we lose this, that would be big. 88.25 low. See that? You see, I can see that right up here. Open, high, low, close. That's what all this is up here. So you just highlight your candle, and it does the math for you. Beautiful. Zoom out. If we lose that, what level are we going to, Chase? I'm glad you asked. Let's look back, way back, just like a home run. 2013, nice drop down. Crypto, the odds are you or I weren't around in crypto back in here, or we probably wouldn't be on YouTube at all. We'd probably be in Dubai, sky surfing on squirrels. I don't know. That's probably expensive. Uh, but so this is our levels that we're going to be going to. Mid 80s, low 80s, right in there. And if this happens, it's to my belief that crypto and Bitcoin especially would be well into 6 figures, multi-trillion market caps. Market caps right now, you want to look at our whole crypto cap. Let's take a pause and go over, look. Where are we at? Where are we at? 1.5 trillion? Yeah, if the DXY gets down to the 80 level, low 80s, I would highly speculate that 3 trillion to 5 trillion is on the cards. I mean, if all goes well and the DXY just, has a funeral, we could print some more money here in the US, that'd be fantastic. Maybe we could get 5 to 10 trillion. I mean, just craziness. That's what we're talking about. Crazy. So DXY, what is going on with the DXY this week that could be of importance? I'm glad you asked. We have, first of all, Jerome Powell is speaking Friday morning, 8:30 Eastern Time, New York time, to all of the people that don't know what Eastern means. Okay, what time zone? You should know your time zones by now, let's be fair. How old are you? Beyond that, the non-farm employment comes out, the unemployment rate in the United States, usually a key level to watch. Happens the first Friday of the month. Now you know. When that happens and expectations are off, way off, big things happen in the DXY and crypto, the stock market. It affects all that, especially the Forex markets. If you follow us, you know that as the bear market approaches, maybe not this one, because this is going to be insignificant in my opinion. After our next peak, our real blow off top, after Bitcoin's at six figures, $250,000, whatever. After we're really cooling off, then we're going to get into the Forex business a little bit more. We're going to integrate it, if you will. We're gonna splice. We're gonna RoboCop it. We're gonna RoboCop the DXY to crypto to Forex. It's gonna be blendyful. So watch that for Friday. Friday, there could be some extra volatility hits the markets Friday morning. We're gonna see. We'll see if we're right. The only way it wouldn't have much of an effect is if the expectations are kind of right where the predictions are, right? If the results are where the predictions are, not much of effect on anything because they're already written, right? It's kind of priced in already, so to speak. The volatility craziness happens when the predictions are way off. So I think the numbers are around 650,000 new jobs. So if it's 300,000 new jobs instead of 650,000, that'd be pretty significant. Yes, you got some new jobs, so that's good, kind of, but half of what you expect, that might throw the dollar down a little bit. That would be what we need. On the other hand, if we're expecting 650 and somehow we added 1 million new jobs, not likely, then the DXY would rise. You see how that works? The dollar would get stronger. Use your brain. Come on. So that's DXY for you. And the markets are slow right now. Okay, look at these percentage gains. Nothing. Dominance not even moving. We're down a little bit. Just slow bleeds. Not very fun. You got to learn. We got to do something. The DXY, right? DXY is always doing something. Usually printing fake money out of thin air. Making people go to work, pay taxes. You're just printing it. Just print more. Let everyone party. We go on parties all the time and do that Dubai squirrel thing. I don't know. I might make it up. It's the next bull run. Link us to 1,000. We're inventing squirrel surfing. I don't know. All right, I'll leave it at that before it gets real weird. Have a good day, everybody. Fantastic. Be great.